Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is VirtualBox. I'm Pawan. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and run Windows 10 inside of Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager. So let's get start our video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification net and join with me. Okay friends, first of all you all need to download and install this Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager on your PC. I'm not going to guide you how you can install this on your PC because it's too easy to install on any PC. You can download that setup from given link in the description of this video, then you can install it on your PC. Then you need to download Windows 10 this image file from given link in the description of this video. Then you can install that Windows 10 this image file inside of this Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Before going to start this, we need to turn off our hypervisor program on Windows. Click on Windows search and search for Windows features. Then you can find this turn off and turn on Windows features option. In here you can find this hypervisor program, that means Hyper-V. In here you need to turn off this tick like this, then click on OK. After that you need to restart your PC. After completing this process, you can continue to installation process of Windows 10 on Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Click on New. Now enter Windows 10 here. Now you can see it's automatically detected Windows 10 64-bit. If you didn't turn off hypervisor program of your Windows, it's only detected Windows 10 32-bit version. So we can click on Next. Now you need to select the RAM size for your Windows 10. I'm going to select 4GB as my RAM and then click on Create again. Now again click on Next, and in here they will ask you to what is the hard drive type that you are going to use with this virtual machine. In my case I am using fixed size because of it will significantly increase the performances of Windows 10. So I'm going to that one. If you want to use dynamic allocated option, you can use it. Then it will automatically increase the size of the disk image as the usage of your storage. Then click on Next, and then you need to select the size of your hard disk. I'm going to select 50GB as my hard disk size. Now click on Create option. Then it will take some time to complete this process. You need to wait until completing of this process. Okay guys, before going to start our virtual machine, we need to adjust some settings of this virtual disk image file. So click on setting icon. Then you need to click on system setting, and you need to change the processors that you want to use with this virtual machine. So I can use one processor because of only I have is 2 processors on my PC. Then you need to enable this extended features option. Now click on display setting and enable 3D acceleration. Then you need to increase this one into this green line, and also you need to click on this storage icon, and you need to click on this empty disk image file. Then you need to select the Windows 10 disk image file that we have already downloaded. Find the disk image file where is you located. Now click on open. Then turn on these 2 ticks. And other than this, if you want to use a shared folder to share the files between these 2 OSs, you need to go to this shared folder option, and you need to add a folder into this option. In my case I have already created a folder for this process. I'm going to select that folder. Then turn on this auto mount option and click on OK. Now we have successfully setting up everything on this VirtualBox, so we can launch our VirtualBox. When it comes to here, you can select your language and everything, then click on Next. Now click on this new icon and click on Apply and click on OK. Then click on Next. Now you need to wait until completing of this process. Okay guys, now we have successfully installed Windows 10 inside of Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager, but the problem is we can't use this drag and drop options here. That's why we have already created a folder for share the files between these two OSs. So you need to click on this devices option and click on insert guest addition CD image. Now open your my computer, then go to this PC option. Now open this CD drive, then you need to install this setup file. Now you need to reboot this virtual machine. Click on finish, then it will automatically rebooted. Okay guys, now we have successfully rebooted our virtual machine. Then in here you can see our VirtualBox guest edition folder is working. That means we can easily share our files between these two original OS and also your guest service. Before going to wind up this video, I need to show you this one also. If you want to get this VirtualBox into a full screen, you need to click on here and then select virtual screen, then change it to first option. Then you can get this kind of full screen from your VirtualBox. So thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.